What if you could experience incredible historical moments firsthand, all thanks to AI? The brand new trend of POV video created by artificial intelligence is literally exploding on YouTube Short, Instagram and TikTok, allowing thousands of creators to generate millions of views every day. In this video, I'm going to show you for free and step by step how to use AI to create this immersive, captivating and ultra-viral video where you find yourself in the skin of a person through different areas of history. You want to discover how to create your first viral POV video in just a few minutes? Then stay until the end because I'm going to reveal everything to you right now. Look carefully at this TikTok page. It contains only POV video and it gathers millions of views on practically every video. We can see there are videos with 38 million, 26 million, 10 million views. And the craziest thing is that by going all the way down the page to the first video, we realize it was posted on January 31. So it's not even 2 months old, and the channel already has 10 million likes and 70,000 followers. Now look at this video I created in less than 1 hour. It's incredible, right? So if you too want to do the same, let's go watch this video carefully and let's start right now. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. It helped me a lot. Thank you. Step 1. The prompt. So for the prompt, we are going to start as usual by going on ChatGPT. Here's the prompt I created to make this kind of video. If you want to use this special prompt, just comment link and I will send you the files. So I added a lot of details, asking it to really create an engaging video and to cut the different scenes with the wake up, the breakfast, going to work, coming back, etc. to really segment the video. From there we see ChatGPT is generating quite a few ideas. I added an element here which is the emotional factor, so we can have fear, mystery, etc. if you want to make this kind of video. Otherwise, you can just stick to the title and we can already see that there is quite a few good ideas, like the last performance of the Titanic musician before it sank. So from there, you can already have some idea to start. Now in my case, I had a very precise idea and I wanted to talk about the story of Nosferatu. So I'm simply going to add this in ChatGPT and then I'm going to see which scene description it will give it to me. From there, I ask it to make me detailed structure, as I told you earlier, with the wake up, the breakfast. It helps to keep the viewer engaged, watching the video and cutting the video with different time, which makes the experience a bit more immersive. Then I ask to generate the detailed prompt so I can create the corresponding image with Midjourney or PicLumen or Leonardo AI. And so it gives me all the prompts that allow me to generate the corresponding image according to the different scenes used in the video. Step 2. Create the image. So we simply copy-paste the script and we go on PicLumen, which is free, I will remind you. Make sure you're in 9.16 and then copy-paste the description from ChatGPT. Alternatively, we can go to Leonardo AI. We pick the Flux model and we make sure we are also in 9.16, which fits Reels, Short and TikTok. We copy-paste exactly the same description and we click on Generated. So you can compare the image generated by PicLumen and Leonardo AI. If you don't like the one from PicLumen, you can generate the second one, a third one anyway, it's free, there is no limit. In Leonardo AI, you have a limit of 150 credits per day, which make about 15 images that you can generate. Now we continue exactly the same. We take all the prompts from scene 2, 3, 4, etc. and we generated all the images with Leonardo AI and PicLumen. From time to time, I also use Midjourney, and you can always compare the result and choose the picture that suits you best with the different tools used for generation. And we keep going on like that until we have all the images for the story. So from the moment you've generated all your pictures and you're satisfied with the quality of them, we can move to the next step. Step 3. Video generation. So for that, we go on the website Helio AI, you click on Create Video. You can sign up for free and you have 100 credits per day, which equals 3 video generation. You go get all the pictures you created previously and you copy for the description exactly the same prompt. I didn't change it. I used the same one to generate the image than for the video. To generate more video, you can create a new account on Helio AI with another email address and you'll get 3 more free videos. Alternatively, I also use Killing AI. They used to also offer daily free credit, but I think now it's monthly free credit, otherwise you will need to take the subscription. The quality is better, but it's not completely free like Helio AI. So you just repeat the process, you upload all your pictures, you put exactly the same prompt from ChatGPT, and you wait until all the video generation is done. Once you've saved all the video generated on your computer, it's time to move on to the next step. Step number 4, CapCut. So you can use CapCut for free, you can download it on your computer. Once you open it, you load all the video clips you created, you assemble them in the timeline. To make the video a bit more interesting, you can add sound effect. I put bell for the start of the video and I also search for a somewhat sinister background music. For that, you go into the option, you click on audio and on music, and then you can search for a music that fits best your video environment. Same for sound effect, and there you add what you're looking for, like footstep or zombie noises, breathing, glass, drop, everything that fits best your video environment. To make the experience even more immersive, it's really very important to add effect music. It's the kind of little details that will make the video stand out and go viral out there. You can also add transition between different moments of the video, so you just search in transition, you select one and you click and drop it between 2 videos. Then I added a filter to make the color more impactful, more striking, add a bit more contrast and color, so it stands out. I added text, of course, so the title and the timeline with the different time of the day, the evolution of the video, to keep the viewer captivated until the end and get better retention on the video. Because you know that retention is the key. If you want your video to go viral and to be recommended by the algorithm, you need to keep the viewer engaged until the end of the video. Finally, if you don't know what to put for sound effect, you can do the same with ChatGPT. Ask him to give you a list of keywords corresponding to each scene. This way, he will generate a list of keywords that you can use to search for the sound effect in Pixabay or CapCut, and you can add them to the corresponding video. If you don't find what you need in CapCut, you can go to Pixabay in category sound effect, and here you can write down the sound effect you're looking for, download it, and add it in CapCut. So I will just go back to ChatGPT to show you how I did. I went there and I asked him to generate me a list of keywords that corresponding to the different scene of the video. And then you get exactly what you're looking for. You just have to copy-paste the different keywords for different scenes and put them in Pixabay or CapCut to find exactly the sound that will make your video look clean and professional. Once the editing is done, you just have to click on Export, select the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 30 or 60. And that's it, you're ready to post your first viral POV video and start making money with YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Reels. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. It really helped me gain visibility in the algorithm and motivated me to make new videos for you to bring you exclusive content and cover new niche to make money online.